What's up, guys? Feed Information here. Today we're going to be talking about Microsoft, so let's jump right in. Microsoft plans to train 15,000 workers in artificial intelligence. Microsoft is teaming with education provider General Assembly to train the workers in AI, machine learning, data science, cloud, data engineering, and more. The first year's goal is to train 2,000 workers, and then by 2022, 15,000. As part of the collab, Microsoft also joins General Assembly's AI Standards Board. Microsoft Earth beta coming this summer. Microsoft reveals new AR game Minecraft Earth, that will come to iOS and Android in beta this summer. So this is on the mobile phone. Now guys, this is basically like Minecraft Pokemon Go style. Check this out. The game requires players to move around in the real world to collect resources for building and to see the projects of friends and neighbors. Microsoft used OpenStreetMap data to place random adventures which vary from a peaceful interlude of a monster fighting quest. Adventurers support multiple players so friends in the same physical spot can help each other out. Monetization isn't finalized yet. Hopefully they don't go too crazy with that. Also, coming up at the top of the page here, we have Microsoft and Oracle take on Amazon Web Services, AWS, with cloud tie-up. Microsoft and Oracle team up to let customers connect services from each other's company's cloud platform. Azure services like analytics and AI connect to Oracle services, including Anonymous Database. As part of the partnership, the companies will form a direct connection starting today in Ashburn, North America, and Azure US East. Additional regions will roll out in the future. The teaming could help the companies take on dominant cloud provider Amazon Web Services. Also, just to end this video, we have Microsoft is offering big discounts on Xbox One consoles and games to celebrate the year's biggest gaming event, and that is of course E3. So this is starting June 7th, which is actually in 2 days, so Friday. Xbox One X consoles will be $100 off, Xbox One S bundles will be $50 off, and hundreds of Xbox One games will be on sale. Xbox Deals Unlocked sales will be available online at Microsoft stores and at other participating retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, GameStop, Amazon, and Target until June 17th. So pretty cool stuff, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to throw a like. I am about to head to work, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feed Information out.